That's why Allah says, don't weaken yourself. Don't become despondent. And don't become sad when something happens to you. Don't become despondent and don't become sad. Don't be saddened. For indeed you will be the successful or the higher or the victor if you are true believers. That if you are true believers is the most important part of the verse. وَلَا تَهِنُوا وَلَا تَحْزَنُوا وَأَنْتُمُ الْأَعْلَوْنَ إِن كُنْتُم مُؤْمِنِينَ. That's the verse, I just translated it before I read it. If you are true believers, then there's no point to be saddened. There's no point to be despondent. Don't be despondent. Don't lose hope and don't become sad. You will be successful. Ultimately, victory is yours. Not today, but tomorrow. If not tomorrow, the next day. If not in this world, then the next. But you have to be a believer. That's what it is. وَأَنْتُمُ الْأَعْلَوْنَ إِن كُنْتُم مُؤْمِنِينَ. If you are true believers, then you will be victorious. But if you're not a believer, or you couldn't bother about what Allah has said, then come on, what do you expect? And that's why I said earlier in my speech, when something happens to you, no matter what it is, if it drew you closer to Allah, it is a gift of Allah. It's a favor of Allah. And when something drew you or distanced you from Allah, no matter how nice it seemed, it was actually a negative thing